good, y'all? My name is Nathan and I'm back once again with another song reaction video or a music reaction. It don't matter. So today we're gonna look at Title Fight Head in the Ceiling Fan. One of you guys had wanted me to react to it or listen to it, it don't matter, in the comment section. One of their songs that one of you guys has said. So we just about to go ahead and listen. And it's gonna be my first time once again listening to one of their songs. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification so you do not miss another video. Follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Alright, so starting off, I like the footage right here, the 90s footage. Is this supposed to be a music video? I'm guessing, or if it is, but yeah, I like the 90s footage right here. Like, it's really vintage and really, like, it's really vintage, and I like it. I like it.
Webster on store.
Okay, that was really a vibe right there. No, that was really a vibe right there. It's like an actual, this is like an actual, like, last day of school, high school 90s song. Like, it's really good. I can really dig it. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie about that one. I was really feeling this right here. And also, I love the 90s footage. Was that a music video or something? Y'all leave that in the comment section. But yeah, I like the vintage 90s music video right there. Yeah, I really like that. And yeah, like I said, this is like the song. It sounds like a 90s high school, last day of school songs right here, and I really like it. Like all about it. But yeah, this was really cool. This was really awesome. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and that's just my opinion. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification on so you do not miss another video. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video.